Round one of the Fish and Lure tournament, we got the spinnerbait and the chatterbait. First fish is the one that counts, and the biggest fish wins. Huh? You just got to keep it above the weeds. Got one. Big, huge. Big fish. I don't know. It's big. I don't know what it is. He's barely hooked. Okay. Boy, that thing was a fighter. Nice bass here. Let's get him on the scale, see what he weighs.
Maybe come down. Here, one more.
Just zero back out. We got 1.2. All right, we got the chatterbait here. Let's see if we can't catch a bigger. I got one.
That's way bigger.
Oh, real big bass. Let's get him on the scale. I think we know who won though. 1.36. All right, guys, so as you can see, the chatterbait did win. Stay tuned for round two.